Hello and welcome to my video lecture. This video lecture is all about the exercise of Pandas syntax. This will give you some practical experience how to handle queries while going through the Pandas data frame. I highly recommend you please go through all my previous video lectures. I am sure that you can solve the queries by yourself without seeing my whole video lecture. There are 8 queries related to dataset automobile. I will give you the link of the dataset at the description box so that you can download the dataset and try it by yourself. My suggestion is you should pause the video here, take 10 to 15 minutes to give it a try. If you stuck somewhere, go to the particular timestamp of the video and find out the way to solve the problem. Once you complete the whole dataset, watch my video and find out what are the differences between your solution set and mine. I would like to recommend you try it using Google Colab, the fastest way to run your query. But if you like, you can run queries in your machine as well. So this is my workspace where I am going to load the dataset first. Then I write down the code. So to load the dataset in my workspace, I am using Google Colab. I need to click on this. So I select automobile data from my hard disk. I click on it, just open, and it will load it on my workspace. Now I write down code. First I need to import Panda, so I write down import Pandas as PD. So my automobile underscore data is a CSV file. So first I need to save this CSV file in a data frame, and then I can read from this data frame. So first I write down the code for that. So df equal to pd dot read underscore csv. So the name of my dataset is automobile dot csv, automobile dot csv. So first I run this cell, then I run this cell, sorry, I think the name of my dataset is automobile underscore data. That's why I get an error here. So that is data. I think now it is all good. Yes. So if I see the data from that data frame, I write down df dot head. So those comments are very common for those who regularly watch my video. They know what the characteristic of head comment, tail comment. So I am not going to share those details in this video. So our first query is find the most expensive car company name. So for that I need the price column from the dataset and the company column. So because the company column holds the name of the company, whereas the price column holds the price of those cars. So what will be our query? Now I write down the query for this. So I write down df, this is the name of our dataset. Then within the square bracket I write down the column name, the most important column for our query, that is the company, and the second column name is price. So I write down price, and then Again third bracket, in that square bracket I write down df dot price. Now that price is equal to the maximum price, so I write down df within square bracket price. Obviously I write down like that. So and then I write down the max comment. So those who are familiar with my aggregated function video, they know how the max min command works. So I am not going to explain that here. I just run the hit button. So as per the query, I got Mercedes Benz whose price is 45,400. so this is the most expensive car and is highest price car. And now if for this query I am going to use group by function. This is another important function to solve the query using pandas, and I have already told you in my previous video how group by function is work. So I highly recommend you please watch my previous video so that you can get a concept about those functions. So first I create a data frame, that is car manufacturers. Now I write down df dot group by. So here I am going to find out each company's highest price cars. So I group by cars in the name of the company, and then I write down car manufacturers within square bracket. I need two columns here, again that is company and price, and we also need another very important comment here, that is the max comment. So I write down max. Now I hit the run button. You can see we get the company names and the car prices. The price of those cars are the highest price for those companies. We already got and warning that is indexing with multiple keys will be deprecated. I know why I got this error, because using one square bracket is a deprecated method. Nowadays we are using two square bracket for those type of queries. If I hit the run button, I can see that there is no error. My next query is find the average mileage horsepower of each car making company. So from the query it is very clear that we need three columns for our query, that is the company name, mileage and horsepower. So first I write down the comment like that. We already have a group by comment with car manufacturers. We use that is car manufacturers. Now we are going to use company horsepower average mileage. So we have to find out the average. So for that I use min comment. Now those who are unaware about the mean comment, I recommend them to go to my previous video and find out what is the working principle of mean comment. So I got my desired output, that the mean, that means the average of the horsepower and the mileage for each company. My next command is find all Nissan car details. For that I write down Nissan. I am going to create a new data set, that is Nissan DF. We already have car manufacturer where we use grooupby. So I write down car manufacturer dot get group. Now which group do I need? Let's have a wild guess. Yes, we need Nissan. I believe the spelling is right. Yes, Nissan, Nissan. Now I hit the run button. Oh, I need to print the new dataset, that is Nissan DF. Now I hit the run button. Here we go. We get all the detail for all the Nissan car. That is the body style, wheelbase, length, engine type, number of cylinder, horsepower, average mile and price. So this is our output. Our next query is count total cars per company. This is the easiest query among all other queries. So our comment will be df within sorry, this is df, not AD. This is df within square bracket. I write down the company name. The name of the company is stored in the company column, so I write down company. Then I just use value count. See, I already told you that this is the most easiest command. So we have Toyota for 7 Toyota, 6 BMW. Sort all cars by price column. Here we are going to use sort values command. So I write down df dot sort values. So the important column here is price. So we sort the values depending upon the price. So I write down by equal to within square bracket price. Now I run the comment. So you can see that we get the sorted price. So the minimum price is on top of the list and maximum price is on the bottom of the list. So you can see the maximum price is for Mercedes-Benz, and we already sort out that company name in one of our previous comment. Remember that. Concatenate two data frames using the following condition. So there are two data frames, one is German cars, another is Japanese car. So for two data sets, they are dictionary like data. First we need to transfer those dictionary like data to a data frame. For that our command will be I just copy this dictionary in our command window. Now our next target is to transfer this dictionary to a data frame. For that our comment will be So if as we can transfer this dictionary with a data frame, we need a data frame name. So the name of that data frame, let's see, cars df1, that is equal to pd dot data frame, and to transfer it to a data frame, comment will be from dict. So after that we write down the name of the dictionary, that is German cars. We will use the same trick for the Japanese car as well. So I change the data frame name with df2, and here the dictionary name is Japanese car. So we are able to convert those dictionaries to a data frame. Now I hit the run button. Now I am going to core command to concatenate to these two data frames, and for that our comment will be, say we will create another data set, that is cars df, and now we write down pd dot concat. This concat command actually concatenate two data frame, so we have to write down the data frame name as well within that square bracket. And now we are going to create the keys. So what is the importance of that keys, we will see within a few seconds when I run the command. You can see the live demo of C keys. Oh, sorry, I need to write down cars df once again here to print the data frame. So see, our keys are Germany and Japan. So here the cars from Germany, here the cars from Japan. So I created two keys named Germany and Japan. So these keys actually group the data. These keys show us that the Mercedes, BMW, Audi, those are the Germany's cars, whereas Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Mitsubishi, they are the Japanese car. Got it? Next problem is that to merge two data frames using the following condition. So there are two dictionaries, that is car price and car horsepower. I can convert these two dictionaries to the data frame. So to save the time, I already write down the command to convert these dictionaries to the data frame. The command is same with the previous command. Now I need to merge those two data frames, that is car price and car horsepower. For that I create another data frame, that is price horsepower. Then I write down pd.merge. Merge command is already in the pandas, so I just call this merge command. Now I merge the data frame price df and horsepower df, and our merging criteria is company because this company name is common for two data frames. So I merge on company and then I write down price horsepower so that I can see the result. Click on the run button. So you can see that this merge command merge these two data frame. When there are two data frame, actually there are 1 2 3 4 there are total 8 data, but when they merge over the company we only got 4 data because the company names are same, so they did not write those company names again and again. They just merge those company names, and then from price dataset they took the prices, and from horsepower dataset it took horsepowers. So this is as simple as that.